In this video, I will show you how you can send bulk emails through your personal Gmail account. As most of you know that there is a sending limit on the number of emails that you can send through Gmail. On a normal Gmail that you use, there is a 500 email sending limit that is applied to your account that you can send per day. If you have a paid G Suite account, you can send up to 2000 emails in a single day. If it is a trial account, you can send up to 500 messages per day. Now, even though there is an email sending limit that is applied to your Gmail account, there is also one more limit that is applied, and it is known as the email sending speed limit. This means that if you try to send all 500 emails in an instant of time, your account might be temporarily suspended. So you can't send all those 500 emails in an instant of time. You have to spread this sending out across your entire day. This means you might have to send this email like an human sending all these emails himself. So you can't send all those 500 emails right away, but you have to spread out this 500 email sending limit across the entire day to make sure that your Gmail account remains in order. And I'm going to show you a way in which you can send more than 500 emails. In fact, you can send up to 10,000, 20,000 emails through your Gmail account. And you can send all these emails through a gap that is given between each email that is sent. So they are not going to be sent all instantly, but according to your set specific criteria, those emails will be spread across the entire day. Okay. So the software that you have to use is Pabbly email marketing. To use this software, you have to go to pabbly.com. And inside products, you can see that there are a bunch of different products. You have to go inside the Pabbly email marketing product. Once you are inside Pabbly email marketing product, you can get a forever free plan. This forever free plan allows you to send emails to your subscriber for entirely free. You don't have to purchase anything at this point of time. Once you are above a certain subscriber threshold, then only you have to make a purchase. So you can just click this button and sign up yourself. Once you are signed up, you will be taken to the accounts page of Pabbly, where you can see bunch of different applications which you can access from the dashboard. Because we are concerned about email marketing, I'm just seeing this box and I'm just clicking the access now button on the dashboard. Okay. Once I do that, I will be taken inside the Pabbly email marketing software dashboard, where you can create your emails, you can add your subscribers or the customers, and then lastly, you can connect delivery server for sending the email. Now, the Gmail account that you are using might be personal Gmail account or it might be company's Gmail account. All those Gmail account can be connected inside Pabbly email marketing inside this add delivery server button. This means all those Gmail accounts that you have can be connected inside this delivery server platform. So as you can see, I'm just clicking this delivery server button, and the first thing that you see is the add delivery server button that is right here. Now, the interesting thing about Pabbly email marketing software is that it does not just allow you to connect your Gmail account, but if you have any other delivery servers, maybe from Amazon SES, Mailgun, SendGrid, or just about any SMTP service provider in the world, you can basically connect that email service provider inside Pabbly email marketing. Apart from that, we also offer a Pabbly Send With Us account. This means you don't have to, if you don't have any external service provider, you can simply use our service provider to send this email, which is not charged any extra, and you can just start to use our email servers right away. But in this case, we are very concerned about Gmail. So what I'm doing is I'm just clicking the add delivery server button right here. Once you do that, it will show delivery server 1, which is appearing right here. It is not currently active, so a red button is shown right here. And this pencil button allows you to edit the server name. To keep it simple, I'm just editing it, and I'm just writing the name of this delivery server as Gmail delivery server 1. So this means you can keep this name according to whatever you want, whatever is simple for you. I'm just writing Gmail delivery server 1. Then it says you which delivery server you want to use. And there are a bunch of options that we have provided. You can also connect your Hotmail account, Mailgun, Mailjet, Mandrill, PappyPost, Postmark, SendGrid, Sendinblue, SendPulse, SMTP to go, SparkPost, and yes, our very own Pabbly as well. So in this case, I'm just choosing Gmail. As soon as you choose Gmail, there is a button that appears right here which says connect with Gmail. So I'm just pressing the connect with Gmail button, which opens up another pop-up window where you can basically log in into your Gmail account to authenticate and give Pabbly the permission to send emails through this account. Okay, so I'm just selecting my Gmail account. It will give me certain permission. One of the key permission is send email on your behalf. So here Pabbly email marketing is asking you for permission to send emails through your Gmail account, because you will be managing all your email sending through Gmail. Through Pabbly email marketing, you have to allow this permission. Now, the very interesting feature inside Pabbly email marketing software is the feature of throttling. Now, as I told you earlier, that if you try to send all 500 emails or the 2000 emails in just an instant of time, your Gmail account will be suspended. And I'm 100% sure about that. Gmail does not allow bulk emailing through its platform. It allows a more humanly email sending through its platform. This means you have to control the email sending limit like it is being sent through a normal human being and not through some machine which sends bulk emails in large quantities in just a period of time. So this throttle option, what it does, it allows you to specify the limit on the number of emails that you want to send per day. Even though the limit is 500 emails per day on your Gmail, but to be on the safer side, I will recommend you to use a setting of 200, 300 or 400 emails per day, because we don't want to send the exact amount of email that Gmail allows. So keeping it about 200, 300, 400 is perfectly fine. You can read about throttling. This option allows you to limit the number of emails to send per day. We will calculate the delay between each email based on the throttle limit and send them at a fixed rate. Example, if you set throttle limit to 200 emails per day, one email will be sent every 7.2 minutes. Since there are 1440 minutes in a day, so if you divide 1440 by 200, you will get 7.2 emails per 7.2 minutes per email. Okay, so I'm just keeping the setting as 400 and I'm just updating this server. So this means that your Gmail is connected, and this means that you can now send your email through a Gmail account. Now, the amazing thing about Pabbly email marketing software is that it does not just restricts you to connect just one Gmail delivery server. In fact, if your company has multiple Gmail account, you can simply add more delivery servers inside your Pabbly email marketing account. This means if you set a 500 email sending limit on one Gmail account, you can basically use 10 different Gmail account to send up to 5,000 emails. If there is a limit of 2000 emails on a G Suite account, you can basically connect multiple G Suite account and that will allow you to send more than 20,000 emails. If you connect 10 G Suite account, it will allow you to send up to 20,000 emails in a single day. So this is really amazing. You can basically send as many emails as you want through your account, and you can connect as many Gmail you want, as many G Suite account you want. One more amazing feature about Pabbly email marketing is that it allows you to route your emails, because if you're trying to send too many emails, which is not possible to be sent through one Gmail delivery server, you can basically route your large bulk emails through through multiple Gmail service provider at the same point of time. So basically you can mention that please send 10% of my email through delivery server 1, send the rest 10% through delivery server 2, and rest through delivery server 3, and so on and so forth. So basically you can do delivery server routing. We call it SMTP routing, where you can define that I want to send 10% of my email through delivery server 1, remaining 10% to delivery server 2, and as so on and so forth. So for example, if you want to send 5,000 emails and the throttle limit is set at 500 emails per day, if you don't have multiple Gmail account, it will basically, if you don't set any if you just set 500 emails per day limit, it will basically keep on sending this for the period of 10 days. If you have multiple Gmail account, it can even send all those emails in single day because you're connecting multiple Gmail account. This means you're just bypassing the limit. So now once you do that, you can just go to dashboard and then you can just start to create your first email. To create an email, you can just click on create email button. Once you do that, a pop-up window will appear where it will say untitled subject. You can basically write any kind of subject here. This is my first sending through Gmail. Okay. You can just drag and drop any block from left panel to the email section so that you can basically customize your email. You can change any blocks, you can change any text if you really want to change that. And you can basically customize your email campaign according to your wish. You can add new images, you can add social icons, you can add 2 columns, 3 columns, you can add headings, text, images, buttons, and lot more things. Once you are ready with your email, you can just click on proceed to send. Okay. And this will take us to a window where we can select the email list to which we want to send emails. Okay. So it will give us a list of email addresses. It will just give us if you want to send emails to all the list, if you want this to be sent to default list, if you want to send this to list 1, or if you want to send this to list 2. So I'm just selecting I want this email to be sent to list 2, and I'm writing the name as Neeraj at Pabbly. The from email is already selected based on the delivery server right here, because the Gmail delivery server 1 is selected. The name is appearing right here. We don't have multiple delivery server connected inside our account. Otherwise, a routing option would have appeared right here, where it would have told you that how many email do you want to deliver through delivery server 1. So you can just mention that if your email list is about 5,000 people, you can just mention that I want to deliver 10% of my email through the Gmail delivery server 1. And that would have automatically picked up 500 emails from the 5,000 email list and would have scheduled or sent those emails through this delivery server. Currently, I'm not doing anything as of now. What I'm now doing is I'm just selecting the list. And the next option is whether I want to send this email right away or whether I want to schedule a follow-up. Now, we have a very interesting option inside Pabbly email marketing where you can decide to send your emails right away, or if you want, you can also schedule a follow-up. Now, the auto follow-up is only sent to the people who do not open your email for the first time. So imagine if you try to send 5,000 emails to 5,000 subscribers, and out of those 5,000 subscribers, 500 people do not open your email. So what it will do is it will automatically follow up and send a same campaign again to those people after 7 days to the people who have not opened your email campaign for the first time. So this basically increases your open rate to a substantial amount, because the people who are not opening your email for the first time are also getting the email again. So there is a chance and probability that those people will open your email the second time. Okay. So as of now, I'm just unticking the send with auto follow up option because we are just doing a trial run here and we just want to see how the emails are sent. Now, one thing that I want to show you and tell you before I send this campaign is that even though we are selecting 2 email campaigns right here, but when we were trying to set a throttle limit, we set it at 400 emails per day. Now, even the first email will be delivered in a period of about 3-4 minutes. So even if I send this email right away, it won't be sent right away. It will take at least 3 to 4 minutes for the first email to arrive in my inbox. And because we won't be able to wait that long for this video, so I'm just going to send this campaign and I'm going to show my Gmail where I have sent the very same campaign the last time. And you can see how it throttles, how the email campaigns are sent and how they will be reaching your customers once they are delivered. So as of now, I have just sent this campaign to 2 people. I'm just clicking on take me to the dashboard button, and you can see that recently I sent this campaign through the name of sending this email through Gmail. It was sent to 1 people and then it was sent to 2 more people through this very same process. So I'm just going to show you my Gmail account where you can see all the happenings that have happened last time. So let me just mark them as read. So this were the 3 emails that I sent last time. So you can see the first email arrived at 6:47 a.m. Then there was a delay, and the second email arrived at 6:52 a.m. And then there was a delay, and the third email arrived at 6:57 a.m. This means these campaigns are not sent immediately, but they are being sent with a delay. In fact, the 2 emails that we sent right away here will also be sent by a delay, and they will be received in your customer's inbox not right away, but after a specific schedule of time as soon as all the emails are triggered one by one. So it is really amazing if you start to use Pabbly email marketing software. One, it allows you to connect multiple Gmail account or multiple G Suite account so that you can send as many emails as you want. And two, you can basically throttle the email sending limit, and you can basically control the email sending limit to your specified criteria. So this is really amazing. You can basically use Pabbly email marketing software to send your email campaign through multiple Gmail account, and then you can control the email sending speed. So I would recommend you to try out Pabbly email marketing software to send emails through Gmail. One thing that I want to tell you, the email open rate or the inboxing rate with Gmail is really amazing. You can't get that level of email opens through anywhere else. So if you start to use that, I'm pretty sure that you will be getting amazing results on your email sending. So I do hope to see you on board checking out Pabbly email marketing, and do give us a try and you will be amazed by the results. So thank you for watching this video.